I am going to Monaco. And if you want the chance to win an AMG GT 63S, Amaze have sponsored this video and given you the chance to win one. So click my link in the description box below. Bye, Kevin. Don't worry, Kevin won't be home alone. It's 20 to 6 in the morning and it's time to take the £10,000 Bentley to Monaco. If you've not watched any of the videos up to now, I suggest you click in the top right hand corner now and go and watch it, and go watch and follow me and all of us on the journey from building this wrecked Bentley to what it is now. And now we're going to hopefully take it on one of many road trips, or will it be the last? And just for those that don't know, from my place to Monaco, it's a 2,000 mile round trip. She's got it. So me and Hannah are going to get in the Bentley, we're going to do the first fill up, and then we're going to get out of here. So, wish me luck, guys. Let's go. £82 litres, £105. Well, Bentley think we're going to get 305 miles to £105. Let's go. One problem that we're running into is that we're struggling to find places with fuel which is 97 RON or more. As you can see, ow! Oh! I've just burnt my leg on the exhaust tip. Ah! Oh! Look, we're meant to be running, well, 98 RON. Well, I have run it on bad fuel before, and when it gets right to the end of the tank, it starts like spurting, so it can't do it any good. Get in the car, get petrol, and I'll probably check back with you when we get to Paris, if we make it there. Peace out. We then ran into our first problem. Driving down, next thing, speakers made a horrible sound, and we have no sound at all now, like no music, nothing. So we're fingers crossed, we hope it's a fuse, but there's only a reason why fuses blow, like there's got to be a reason. But from now on, it's silence. But we had a breakthrough. The radio works again! Yes! So the old off and on trick, it actually worked. Radio's back on, let's fill up.
And we're gonna have a Pizza Hut.
Pizza. 87 euros. And we kept driving, and of course, filling up. Until we finally made it to Paris. The car's so hot. We've just been driving around Paris.
Oh my god, poor
Jesus.
thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paris.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we.
I am ready to go Monaco. What do you mean he's already left? Is it because I got an A45? Perhaps if I had an AMG GT 63S, then I would have been invited to come along. Which is convenient because Amaze are giving you the chance to win a Mercedes AMG GT 63S, and by donating you'll be helping a great charity as well. With supercar speeds and lovely comfort, the AMG GT 63S is the perfect GT car, with exceptions to my Bentley. 630 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. You'll be getting to Monaco in no time. I mean, the A45 sounds loud. But imagine the sound of a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 on your driveway. And if you win, taxes and shipping is included as well. Not only will you win the car, you'll also receive $20,000 cash in the boot as well. I think I'll probably use that to go on another road trip. And with every donation, you're helping the ARC, which helps to end incarceration in California. So for the chance to win the Mercedes and to support a great cause, the ARC, go to amaze.com/Matt or click the link in the description box below. Right, I better go catch him up. So we got back on the road, and the plan was to head from Paris straight down to Annecy, which was just below Geneva. And this didn't happen without a toll road and, of course, a fuel stop. Now on the way down to Annecy, we stopped off at a few villages where the Bentley just crawled through so menacingly, but elegant at the same time. Who would have thought it, eh? A £10,000 Bentley rebuilt on a driveway in Leicester. Just look at it. And we finally arrived at Annecy. Captain, drive me. Where we had a pedal boat. Who needs a yacht in Monaco? We've got a pedal boat in Annecy. And of course a pedal boat wasn't enough, so we got a bigger boat. We're staying here for tonight. Tomorrow we're going to head down Napoleon's route and hopefully into Cannes. So far, so good. It's about 37, 38 degrees, which I think is why we've sort of dropped on the miles to gallon front. Obviously the denser air as well. So we're doing about 17 miles to gallon now, not 20, but yeah, let's stay here for tonight, carry on tomorrow. Speed, power, and comfort. I'd take that over fuel economy any day of the week. What a car this Bentley, or Bentley, has been. It's not the most nimble car. I mean, it is heavy as anything. The steering wheel doesn't help how big it is, but it is like you're trying to turn the Titanic around. It nose dips into the corners. It squats when you accelerate out. We've had it in sport mode, and we've stiffened up the suspension quite a lot, which does help a fair bit, especially with the low profile tyres. But what all of that it makes up for in the straights, where it's got pure power, literally instant power at the bottom of your foot, and the noise as well, the proper noise. It has been turning heads everywhere we go, but I'm excited to see what happens when we go into Monaco. Who's going to see it, who's going to look, and can we actually fit in with the supercars around there, if there is going to be any. So let's get to Monaco, check back with you once we arrive. We then thought we'd wash the Bentley to the most dramatic music ever to make sure it's nice and clean for when we arrive in Monaco. Then there was only one last thing to do. 68 euros. Yes, fill up again. But shortly after, we arrived. The Bentley made it to Monaco. We all made it to Monaco. That deserves a subscribe. If you are subscribed, hit the thumbs up button. But for now, let's enjoy Monaco.
In it for keepsake, in the field with the cleat lace. Beat foot with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She looks good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show need a passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast.
So, we made it to Monaco. And what an amazing place. What amazing roads. And what an amazing car. This is something I never would have done if it wasn't for YouTube and you guys. So if you are watching this video right now and you're not clicked subscribe, make sure you click that subscribe before you leave. I want to say thank you to all of you that have watched the video up till now, followed us on the journey from building this £10,000 Bentley and driving it over 1,000 miles to where we are now in Monaco. So, how was the car? What did it drive like? Does it fit in round here? And how much does it actually cost me to get to this point? I will be telling you guys the full cost of the Bentley, including the parts and everything that I had to buy to get the Bentley to this point in the next video. But let's get on to how much did it cost to get it here. So, fuel stop after 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 fuel stop, and toll road after toll road after toll road after toll road after toll road. The whole cost of traveling here cost me this. This was just the cost in fuel for one way. A return trip cost me around £811 in fuel. That's not including the toll roads, I haven't added them up yet. But when we looked, a flight cost around the same sort of price, and you don't get to experience the stuff that we experience on the way. But I would not change any of that for the world. Literally, driving this car here has been an ultimate pleasure, and actually getting here has been amazing. And this is the sort of stuff that I work for. If you work so hard but never enjoy yourself, what are you working for? Now, if you are a supercar enthusiast, this is definitely the place to be. Everywhere you look, supercar, supercar, supercar. Which brings me to the whole thing. Did my £10,000 Bentley fit in amongst the supercar world of Monaco? And I'm gonna say the answer is yes. No one here would suspect that this car cost me £10,000. That is gonna be cheaper than probably a lot of the little Fiestas on the road around here. And just look at it, absolutely menaces the street of Monaco. It looks like a demon. People were getting the phones out, filming it, taking photos of it, just getting as much attention as any other supercar around here. It truly is a timeless piece. It's 15 years old. Now this is the point where I back up my statement, where people were taking photos of it whilst we was going around the track at Monaco, but Hannah decided to film with the 360 GoPro not on 360 mode, so it just filmed her face the whole way around. But here's a little video of it being valet parked outside the Monte Carlo casino, but we'll have more of that in the next video. But there is one difference that separates my Bentley to the others. It's got a story. Now all of these guys who are driving around in the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris, the G-Wagons, you name it, they've probably all bought them, they've worked hard for them, yes. They're all probably under warranty, they're under 3 years old. Mine has an amazing story, which you guys have all followed from the very start, of buying this crash-damaged Bentley and rebuilding it on my driveway in Leicester and bringing it down here. What a story that has, and that, to me, is worth a hell of a lot more than a £200,000, £300,000 car. So it just goes to show you guys, you don't have to have the biggest wallet to mix with some of the most expensive supercars. Saying that, the Bentley's still got to get his own. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you've really enjoyed the whole journey of the Bentley. It is definitely not finished yet. We've got a few more bits left to do to it, as you would have seen in the previous Bentley video where they noted down all the faults of it, but we still got him in Monaco. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And don't forget to go to amaze.com/Matt for the chance to win the Mercedes AMG GT 63S.